My name is Dr. Stephen Hunt. I am the President and CEO of Qubit Systems. Together with a number of my colleagues, we developed a number of technologies for doing research into plant biology, measuring things like photosynthesis and respiration. More important or more interesting to the general public is measuring how humans consume oxygen and produce CO2. Why? Because it gives us a direct measurement of our energy expenditure. And our energy expenditure is directly related to our fitness level. So, how do we go about measuring the carbon dioxide production of a human and the oxygen consumption of a human? The answer is use a mask. The person breathes naturally, normally, doesn't impede the breathing at all. So you can run around with this mask on, and we can measure the flow rate of the breath. We can also measure the CO2 that's in the exhale breath, and we can measure the oxygen in the exhale breath. So now we have all of the components that we need to measure rate of oxygen consumption and rate of carbon dioxide production. There are a number of challenges involved in designing a system like this, and St. Lawrence College has a lot of expertise in manufacturing, design, 3D printing, various other things, which are very, very valuable to the design protocols that we go through. Talking to specialists in flow dynamics at St. Lawrence College allowed us to look at alternatives such as using Venturis and other devices which would be as inexpensive, perhaps more accurate. So I would say to any company in Qubit's situation, go talk. You know what you want to do. You know what your timelines are. You do not necessarily, a lot of small companies do not have all the expertise that they need, but you can draw on a whole pool of expertise at St. Lawrence College Applied Research.